Hi friends, this video is going to be on Alsanic. Alsanic has sucralfate 500 milligrams in it. It's a non-systemic cytoprotective agent. This medicine is made by High Noon Laboratories and the price for the box is 93 rupees. It has 20 tablets in it. This medication is used to treat ulcers in the intestines. Sucralfate forms a coating over the ulcers, protecting the area from further injury. This helps ulcers heal more quickly. To use sucralfate, the dosage is based on the medical condition and response to therapy. Use this medication regularly in order to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, use it at the same times each day. It is important to continue taking this medication even if you do not feel ulcer pain. Do not stop taking this medication without consulting your doctor. It may take 4 to 8 weeks for your ulcer to heal completely. Antacids can be used with this medicine, but they should be taken at least 30 minutes before or after sucralfate. Some common side effects of this medication are constipation, diarrhea, upset stomach, gas and nausea. Remember that your doctor will prescribe this medication when he is able to judge the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. If there is any serious allergic reaction to the medication, you should consult with your doctor. Dosage is as directed by the physician. It can be 1 tablet in the morning and 1 in the evening, and if the ulcer is severe, then the doctor might increase your dosage. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.